In a beautiful kingdom surrounded by green hills, there lived a brave princess named Lily. Far away in the forest lived a kind dragon named Draco. Draco loved helping animals and never hurt anyone. But the people of the kingdom were afraid of him. One day, Princess Lily heard that a little deer was trapped near the dragon's cave. Without fear, the brave princess rode her white horse into the forest. She finally reached the dragon's cave. Inside, she saw Draco trying to help a little deer trapped under a branch. Princess Lily quickly joined him. At last, the little deer was saved. "You are not scary at all," said the princess. Draco said sadly, "I only want to be everyone's friend." The princess returned and told everyone the truth. Soon, the people became friends with Draco. From that day on, the kind dragon protected the kingdom and lived happily with everyone. Moral: never judge someone by their appearance.